Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Popcorn Gift Bags is probably one of the most versatile and delightful packaging solutions available today, perfect for adding a touch of charm and personality to any occasion, whether you're celebrating a birthday, hosting a movie night, or simply want to share a sweet treat with friends and family. These bags are designed to not only hold your delicious popcorn but also to enhance the overall presentation, making your homemade goodies look professionally packaged and incredibly appealing to anyone who receives them. Number 5. Popcornopolis Gourmet Popcorn Cone Variety Pack. Indulge in a delightful assortment of gourmet popcorn flavors. This variety pack offers a taste of something special for everyone. Experience the unique taste of zebra popcorn, the savory goodness of cheddar cheese, the sweet crunch of caramel, and the classic kettle corn. Each cone is packed with flavor. Whether you're looking for a treat for yourself or a gift for someone else, this variety pack is an excellent choice. It's ideal for sharing with friends and family. Each popcorn cone is individually packaged for freshness and convenience. Enjoy them anytime, anywhere. Surprise your loved ones with this crowd-pleasing gift. It's a thoughtful way to show you care, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. With 12 delicious cones, there's plenty to go around. Make your next movie night or gathering a memorable one with these gourmet popcorn treats. What we like. This pack offers a delightful variety of gourmet popcorn flavors, ensuring there's something for everyone. If you are looking for a premium gift that offers a taste of multiple delicious options, this is the perfect choice for birthdays, holidays, or corporate events. What people say. The bags are sturdy and hold a good amount of popcorn. The design is cute and festive, perfect for parties. Easy to assemble and fill, making popcorn serving a breeze. Number 4. Funky Chunky Gourmet Popcorn Tasting Kit. Discover a world of gourmet popcorn with our tasting kit. It's the perfect gift for any popcorn lover. Indulge in unique and delicious flavors. Each bite is a gourmet adventure. Enjoy our signature popcorn in convenient 2-ounce portions. It's an ideal way to sample our best. Looking for a special treat? This gift box is sure to delight with its variety and quality. Experience the crunch and flavor that makes us unique. Treat yourself or someone special today. What we like. This tasting kit is ideal for those who love to explore different gourmet popcorn flavors in smaller portions. If you are unsure which flavor to commit to or want to try a few before buying a larger quantity, this is a great option for personal enjoyment or as a small, thoughtful gift. What people say. The bags are sturdy and hold a good amount of popcorn. The design is cute and festive, perfect for parties. Easy to assemble and fill, making popcorn serving a breeze. Number 3. NPLUX Clear Cellophane Treat Bags. Introducing our clear cellophane treat bags, perfect for making your homemade goodies look neat and ready to share. The transparent design ensures your treats are always visible and easy to admire. Measuring 6 by 9 by 2.4 inches, these bags are ideal for decorated cookies, candy mixes, and other small baked goods. Their convenient size is perfect for everyday baking and gifting needs. The gusseted flat bottom provides a cleaner shape once filled, ensuring your treats and favors stand balanced. This feature enhances the presentation on any dessert table or party display. Each pack comes with twist ties for quick and simple closing. These bags offer a tidy finish without any extra steps, making them practical for various occasions. These goodie bags are perfect for party favors, graduation gifts, and small presents. They provide a clean presentation while keeping packaging simple and elegant for any event. Easily package candies, popcorn, or handmade items in these bags. Their clear design keeps colors and textures visible, making them great for sharing, gifting, and attractive displays. Elevate your small items with these clear gift bags. They help make treats and favors look more thoughtful and professionally prepared, ensuring a polished presentation every time. What we like. These clear cellophane bags provide a neat and visible way to package homemade treats and small gifts. If you are preparing party favors, bake sale items, or small thank you gifts and want a simple, clean presentation that keeps contents fresh, these bags with included twist ties are a practical solution. What people say. The bags are sturdy and hold a good amount of popcorn. The design is cute and festive, perfect for parties. Easy to assemble and fill, making popcorn serving a breeze. Number 2. Outus 100 PCS red and white striped popcorn bags. Introducing our set of 100 popcorn bags, perfect for any celebration. They come with a roll of red ribbon to add a special touch. These versatile bags are ideal for holding all sorts of treats like candy, cookies, and popcorn. Use them for Christmas, birthdays, weddings, or movie nights. Made from reliable cellophane, these bags are built to last. They'll keep your snacks and gifts fresh and dry, ensuring a memorable event. Each bag measures approximately 11 by 5 inches, perfect for small items. The included ribbon helps you tie them securely, keeping everything inside. Featuring a classic red and white striped design with a fun popcorn motif, these bags make your treats look even more appealing. Elevate your party or movie night with these charming containers. With 100 bags and a generous roll of ribbon, you'll have plenty for parties or sharing. Save time and keep your party favors organized effortlessly. What we like? These popcorn bags feature a classic carnival design with red and white stripes, perfect for adding a festive touch to movie nights or parties. If you are hosting a circus-themed event, a birthday party, or a movie marathon and want to serve popcorn in a fun, traditional way, these bags with the included ribbon will enhance the celebratory atmosphere. What people say. The bags are sturdy and hold a good amount of popcorn. The design is cute and festive, perfect for parties. They are easy to assemble and stand up well on their own. Number 1. Kedudes Movie Night Popcorn Boxes. Transform your home movie nights into a cinematic experience. These popcorn boxes are perfect for any film screening, adding a touch of fun. Planning a party or event? These large snack buckets are ideal for serving popcorn and other treats. They're a hit for any gathering. Featuring a classic red and white design, these containers evoke the feel of a real cinema. They're sure to impress your guests. Each bucket holds a generous 26 ounces of popcorn, ensuring everyone gets their fill. No more running out of snacks halfway through the movie. Made from sturdy paper, these buckets are designed for convenience. They are easy to hold and perfect for enjoying snacks on the go. While perfect for popcorn, these versatile containers can also hold other snacks like chips, candy, or pretzels. Get creative with your serving. What we like? These large popcorn boxes are designed for a substantial movie night experience, holding plenty of popcorn for sharing. If you are hosting a movie marathon, a party, or simply want to enjoy a big bowl of popcorn at home without the mess, these sturdy, themed boxes are the perfect container for a classic cinema feel. What people say. The bags are sturdy and hold a good amount of popcorn. The design is cute and festive, perfect for parties. Easy to assemble and fill, making popcorn serving a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.